Hey guys, welcome to Apex Motorhome, where futuristic luxury becomes reality.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more next-level motorhome content.
Wait, stop scrolling right now because this is not a normal RV. This is the unbelievable $500 million Titanic Motorhome 2027, the world's largest futuristic luxury mansion on wheels. With 3 insane floors, futuristic technology, and billionaire-level luxury, this thing looks more expensive than most private islands. So hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and welcome back to Apex Motorhome, where luxury meets the impossible. The exterior alone looks absolutely unreal. The Titanic Motorhome features a gigantic aerodynamic body finished in glossy metallic red with black chrome accents, giant smart glass windows, glowing LED light strips, and massive turbine wheels that make it look like a futuristic spaceship on wheels. Advanced suspension systems keep the RV balanced smoothly on the road, while self-healing nano paint automatically repairs tiny scratches. As the giant entrance doors slide open, you instantly see the glowing glass elevator placed right in the center of the ground floor. Surrounded by holographic touch controls and ambient LED lighting, this elevator connects all 3 luxury floors like a futuristic penthouse tower. Right beside it is the insane drive cabin. The cockpit features massive curved digital displays, AI driving systems, night vision cameras, navigation screens, and ultra-premium leather captain seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Even the windshield stretches from floor to ceiling with futuristic augmented reality displays projected directly onto the glass. Now let's explore the first floor. This level focuses on entertainment and luxury living. The futuristic living room features giant wraparound sofas, hidden surround sound systems, holographic fireplaces, and a transparent OLED TV that disappears into the wall. The first kitchen includes marble countertops, robotic cooking systems, gold trim cabinets, smart refrigerators, and touchscreen dining tables. The first bedroom suite includes a floating king-sized bed, panoramic windows, ambient ceiling lighting, smart privacy glass, and a luxury walk-in closet. Attached to it is a futuristic bathroom with heated marble floors, rainfall showers, digital mirrors, and a smart bathtub with automatic temperature control. Taking the elevator to the second floor completely changes the atmosphere. This level is designed for business, wellness, and relaxation. The futuristic office area includes transparent touchscreen computers, holographic meeting systems, satellite internet, and AI-powered workstations that allow you to work from anywhere in the world. Beside the office is a luxury massage and wellness area with robotic massage chairs, aromatherapy systems, relaxing mood lighting, and calming sound systems built into the walls. One of the craziest features here is the futuristic medical room filled with AI body scanners, smart medicine storage, emergency equipment, and advanced health monitoring systems. The second floor also includes another modern kitchen, another luxury bedroom suite, and another futuristic bathroom. This bedroom feels darker and more modern with hidden entertainment systems and retractable wall screens. Now let's move to the unbelievable third floor, the most luxurious level inside the entire motorhome. The giant master bedroom features a circular king-sized bed, rotating entertainment walls, smart glass ceilings for stargazing, and panoramic views everywhere. The third kitchen is built with premium black marble, futuristic hidden appliances, and automated food systems. The third floor bathroom is absolutely insane, featuring a giant jacuzzi, waterfall shower walls, glowing marble surfaces, heated towel systems, digital mirrors, and AI mood lighting that changes colors automatically. And finally, the rooftop deck. This futuristic rooftop looks like a billionaire sky lounge with a glowing infinity pool, outdoor cinema, fire pit seating area, luxury bar, panoramic views, and synchronized LED lighting everywhere. At night, the entire rooftop transforms into the ultimate luxury party machine on wheels. The Titanic Motorhome 2027 is not just an RV. It's a futuristic mansion, luxury resort, and billionaire dream combined into one insane machine. So tell us in the comments, would you actually live inside this rolling palace? And if you enjoyed today's tour, subscribe to Apex Motorhome right now, because the next futuristic monster might be even crazier.
Bro, this bathroom is literally crazier than a 5-star hotel. I can't believe this is actually inside a motorhome.